Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to trade with candlestick psychology. So you are requested to stay with me till an end without skip. Oh, before going to start, I have a request. Please subscribe the channel by click the button if you didn't subscribe yet. And thank you all who have already subscribed. Hello traders, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to place some trade on different pairs. Though this is OTC market, it's little different than the normal. Okay, I'll place trade on next candle. Let me close this candle. We see there some see buyers, then buyers, again buyers, again buyers. But here, see, if you check this, there is two sellers, two candle, there is three candle. Okay, it means seller are getting stronger because of this level. So let me close this. Okay, oh shit, I have placed a higher option and that is late entry because of momentum. Okay, still I have placed because I saw some buyers on this candle, and they, on this point has some buyers. Okay, so I am expecting that this candle will be a bullish candle, but main thing is that my entry point is not that much good as I expected. Anyway, let me close this candle. Okay, still 10 seconds. Okay, I have, this is my luck. So that entry point was not good, but I was expected that this candle should be a bullish candle. Let me check another pair. Okay, this is Euro USD. Market movement is not good, so let's take another pair. See, this kind of market is little risky to trade, lot of wicks. There is no any strong candle. Okay, you can trade on this candle. Okay, let me close this candle. There is very few buyers are trying. Okay, I placed a lower option because though there are some buyers, but end of that candle we saw some strong sellers entry, and next level is here. So and also downtrend. So I'm expecting that I'll get winning trade. Okay. And analyze this market. This USD Swiss. We see here there is level. Okay, but see there direct sellers by trying. That's that made a bullish candle and gap up, and buyers again trying. Okay, I have placed a higher option here because that buyers are trying a lot of times. So this is a seller's candle, but still we can see some buyers in this candle too. There you can see some buyers also. See, actually this is a level which supposed to touch this market, but before touching, it's near to that area. Buyer made a zone, and we can see some rejection, means buyer interested, again buyers candle, again buyers interested, made a new high. then buyer's candle, but here you can see direct seller's entry. Still you can see some buyers, and here you can see gap up and made a new high. Okay, and candle close at the buyer's area. That's what I place higher option. So let's close this. So before placing any trade, you should observe each and every point possible. Okay, total I have placed 3 trades by analyzing that candle, and all are winning trade. See, this was my first trade. This was my first trade. I placed higher option because of this level, and I saw some buyers entry in this candle. That's why I placed higher option. But actually late entry because of momentum, but still I on this trade because of my luck. And actually there is a bullish anyway. Then this is my second trade. I have choose here lower option because I saw on level here. Okay, and momentum is strong. Also trend is a downtrend, though there was some buyers, but there was not enough buyers, and end of the candle I saw some sellers. It means sellers are interested more than buyers. That's what I placed lower option. And this is my third trade. I placed higher option because I can see a lot of buyers are interested in this area, and gap up, there is new high. That's what I placed higher option. Okay, so let me check another pairs. This is buyers are trying to break this level. So, try. Okay. Okay, let me close this candle. Okay, this indecision. I'll place trade on next candle. Okay, this is very good position. Okay, let me draw this level. Okay, there is strong momentum and trend also down, but if we see, this is a very major zone because this strong SNR level, so market should respect this level. But still when you see any momentum on left side, don't go against the momentum until you have strong reason. Okay, see, okay, gap up. I supposed to place higher option here, but when I saw this is gap up, so I leave this candle and I will wait for next candle, because before I place trade I should look for weak candle, because this is very strong, very strong momentum. So it's not good to trade against the momentum until strong candle, and I don't want to place here lower option too, because this is a strong zone. So anytime candle reverse from this level. So let me finish this candle, then I'll place trade on next candle if possible. Okay. Okay. Still you can see some buyers, but this time I will go against that trend. I think, yeah. Oh, very good entry point. But I placed here higher option because this is a very extreme level, and I saw some buyers are interested in this candle too, so that I place higher option. But this is a very risky trade because this is very strong momentum, and in this case you should not place any opposite trade. Okay, opposite means this is a seller's momentum, so you should not place higher option, you should place always lower option even if you lost. Okay, but I placed here higher option only. Reason is this is very strong buyers area, and I saw some active buyers on this previous candle. Okay, that's what I placed higher option. Okay, so before place any trade, you should observe each and every point possible, otherwise you may lose your trade. Okay, even after analyze candle properly, you can lose some trade because nobody can make 100% winning ratio. Okay, let me try on this candle. Okay, I'll try to place on more trade, or if possible then seller's entry. Okay, strong seller's entry, and if we draw this, supposed to, okay, if that market goes up again, I'll place lower option, but this is not good to place trade here. That candle comes this level, I'll place lower option, otherwise I'll wait for another minute. Okay, didn't come, okay, let's wait. Okay, I'll place higher option here with little marginal safety. If that market comes at least below than that closing point, otherwise I'll leave. Okay, I placed lower option because I saw some sellers entry in this candle too. Okay, but this is also little risky trade because that candle close at the buyers area. See, if you check this area, strong buyers. So again I expect buyer entry. That's what I was waiting to place higher option here with some marginal safety, but candle didn't come that level, and that time I saw some sellers active in this candle, in current candle. That's what I place lower option. Okay, so total I have placed 5 trades, and all are winning trade. Hope you understand all the point. So before place any trade, you should observe everything. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please like, share with your friends, and if you have any doubt about anything, please write me on the comments box below so that I can make you clear. And another thing is, if you are new in this channel, please subscribe my channel. Your support can inspire me to make more videos. Okay, thanks for watching this video. If you satisfied with the video, don't forget to like and share with your friends. Your support can inspire me to make more video to help you all. Thank you.